Hello everyone, I am Akanksha Kushwaha from Kendriya Vidyalay, Dirang. The topic of my activity is Play with Words, a pretend bakery game. In this game, if the child loves to play pretend and needs practice with letters and the sounds they make, get cooking with this activity, and it also builds key reading skills. For this game, we have to require some materials like a large mixing bowl, a spoon, thick paper or foam sheets, some paper plates. First, the child have to cut square sheets of the thick paper or foam in equal size. They have to cut at least 30 sheets, and then they have to write the letters of the alphabets on the each squared paper, and also they have to make at least one extra for each of the vowels like A, E, I, O, U, like this. And then they have to make a menu card like a restaurant menu card so their customers can order what they want. This is a menu card. In this game, one child has to pretend like a chef and the rest of the children have to pretend like like their customers. And for example, if someone or one customer ordered bread from the menu of the restaurant, then the child who act like a chef, he should mix his ingredients in the bowl and then look inside the bowl for the letters in the item. Letters are in the item B, E, D, and then he try to find out the letters in his bowl or mixing bowl. Like now try to find out. Yes, we have to find out. We found B, E and D, and then he should lay them out on the plate in proper order. B, E, D. Okay, and then he should tell their customer, your order is ready. But if the word has mistakes, the customer tell him that's not exactly what I ordered and help him to figure out how to correct it. Like this, we have to repeat all the items like in this game. Once the child has mastered everything on the list, the teacher should help him with new words to add his menu. Thank you.